Try to clean up.
It's kind of therapeutic. Hi.
Hey.
Oh my god. I'm just helping because I believe as an actress we shouldn't make other people's lives hard, right? So I distract the man from his work, so I help him. I'm a good person. Yes.
She too lying.
One silver.
You do duolingo?
Take my job seriously.
Oh, me. You do duolingo too?
Yeah, I'm
Or
learning.
is it just a chat?
I'm learning Chinese.
I'm learning Spanish and Hebrew.
I'm learning English.
Tell them one time.
It's hard, me not like. I'm kind of stuck up on Hebrew.
I'm 140 days strict.
Yeah, Mandarin?
Yeah.
God, you know something I try? Is it easy?
Nope.
Jesus Christ.
Nope.
You still are trying?
I'm not learning, so not try English, I hard to try, brother.
English.
Yeah, English hard to try, brother. I don't know we speak English.
You feel like them with an eye on me one day? Okay.
I met man get fired. And I watch you, I say, yeah, you know.
Anyhow.
Work at one people. Just go and watch this now. It's a little behind the scenes and yeah, original vlog. You don't know what up on the work. We're at Danny's Marina. And if you don't know this, take off your shirt, I'll show you. Marina.
Yeah. Sparta. Bubble say if you say action cause the sun a sun on road.
Okay, alright. Rolling. Sorry, actor. You rolling? Oh.
Okay.
Rolling. And action.
Me backside. Me catching a shot. Lord Jesus. Do it again. Yeah.
Girl, the sun is sunny.
Sorry.
Call it again. Rolling. Action.
No, finish clean up. You're doing your job.
I'm done.
You done?
Am I getting too much into character?
No, it's fine.
I'm done. We just have OCD. We just can't see. Look at this. It just would be wrong to leave that and that. Yeah, don't mean a bucket show over here. Alright, my left ear wish them to the scene. I'm done.
For now.
Yeah, that's sweet. That's a bit odd.
Where the heck for this?
Yeah, put it down, yeah.
Don't play with it. I will make her see
There.
Don't play with it.
Yeah, put down the curse.
But yeah, you're right. Don't put it on it. No, I have to put it on. Then I got then no nobody know. That's a bad girl.
You know, say, on a curious wagwan, right? When Miranda up to this time.
How going to finger them? When them bend up so.
Something or something.
Good.
Alright, this is the scene now, we're gonna
Yeah.
So we're doing a long shot. And then, yeah. Let's see what y'all doing. Let's see what y'all doing.
What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Show show me your left hand. One of the thumb is missing. Go, Papa.
It's not right for you to laugh for people like this. What do I got to know?
You're right.
Yeah, because talking.
Yeah, you're catching on the side. So it's a reddish part.
You want to name fast and fast.
Action. Yeah, don't you see it? You know, look at this. Rolling.
What's that? Look at that.
Yeah, you doing this. Alright. What we got now? Ready again? Oh, we're done?
Just push it here. Yeah, that can work.
No.
That also helps with contact when you might leave. You see her there that works. And feel the same.
Yeah.
So you see her outside when you leave. You see what in the worry, you see her a little bit because you see her at work.
Yeah.
Quite established.
Call, run Miranda.
Them over there, so.
Miranda.
Where, Miranda? Let's go, dude.
Oh, on there have a drink.
Oh, weird. Is it bubbles? Is it? Take it up? Okay.